Good morning, everybody. Mark here in the home office where it is bright and sunny, but it is cold outside. Temperatures up and down the valley this morning in the range of 30 to 38, depending on where you are. But yeah, pretty cold start. Today is probably the coldest start we're going to see. Tomorrow morning will be just a little bit warmer, but still nothing all that warm. We'll have a lot of sunshine today, but temperatures will still stay below the average high of 65 degrees. Our highs will only be in the upper 50s both today and tomorrow. What we're really looking at, though, is this next area of rain and snow for the weekend, and that's what I want to highlight for you this morning. Let's see what's going on first with the satellite. Let me show you what's happening here, and as you can see, there are some high, thin clouds. That's the extent of the cloud cover we'll see during the course of the day today. Otherwise, a lot of sunshine, winds lighter. Yesterday, we were seeing those winds gusting up over 35. We're not going to see any gusty winds today or during the day tomorrow, and we will stay dry for the next couple of days. So let's get into when we will get back into some rain and snow. We'll take a look at the North American model this morning, and this has been pretty consistent in terms of timing. Let's go through today, and let's go through the day tomorrow. This is Friday afternoon and evening. This indicates clear skies, cool temperatures, but you can see the rain here up off the coast. Let's get into Saturday so you can plan your weekend. This is 7 o'clock first thing on Saturday morning. A couple of showers are breaking out. There's a little line of rain out here. But that's, again, 7 o'clock in the morning. This will probably be a pretty good time to get things done. It'll be pretty cold first thing Saturday morning, but we will see rain develop. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. Rain in the valley, snow in the Sierra. I'm going to still ballpark the snow level this weekend around 2,500 feet. From time to time, it'll get a little bit lower. Sometimes it might be a little bit higher, but it's going to average 25 feet. That's where we're seeing accumulating snow. From time to time, there may be some slushy snow down below that to 2,000 or 2,100, but I don't think we're going to see significant accumulations at 2,000 this time around. This is on Saturday afternoon. This is at Saturday sunset. So what we're seeing here is that the rain has ended in the valley, but the snow continues in the Sierra. And then the second part is out here. This comes in on Sunday, Saturday night and Sunday. This is late Saturday night. This is after midnight. That gradient indicates that it's going to get windy Saturday night. We'll have winds gusting up around 40 miles an hour during the late night and very early morning hours with the low pivoting up here. Some nice rain during the overnight hours, as well as really good snow. This is going to be a really good snow rate. First thing on Sunday morning, we'll likely have, well, it's possible we could have Interstate 80 closed again first thing on Sunday morning. And then this is Sunday afternoon, the valley breaking out. So it's not going to rain all weekend in the valley, but it is likely going to snow all weekend. Let me show you what we're expecting in terms of precipitation. Now, this is going all the way through the day on Sunday. So as I scroll over this, you see many valley spots. Like I'll put it over Modesto. Modesto, a couple of tenths of an inch of rain. Around Sacramento, less than a half an inch of rain. So it's not as if it's going to rain all weekend, and the rain we're going to see in the valley will be on the light side. But if I scroll over this into the foothills, you can see, well, suddenly the precip is up around 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And then if you go up into the Sierra, we're talking about 2 to 3 inches of water. And that gets us to how much snow we're going to see. Let me show you my latest estimates here at 6,000 feet, somewhere between 3 and 4 feet, maybe just under 4 feet. So it's not quite as robust as the last one, but still plenty enough that we'll have travel issues in the Sierra. At 5,000 feet, just under 3 feet of snow. And come down to 3,000 feet, a little more than a foot of snow, foot to 1.5 feet of snow, but between what we'll see on Saturday and into Sunday, and it'll taper off on Sunday night. So once again, this will have an impact for those of you that do live around 3,000 feet. I think at 3,000, it's all snow all weekend. The ratios may be a little bit on the lower side, meaning that you'll get some slushier snow. And like I said, there will be some snow down to 2,500 and even 2,200, but the lower you get, the less snow you're going to see, and the slushier it'll become because every now and then it'll mix in with a little bit of rain. But the best in terms of the intensity of it coming down hard will be late Saturday night and Sunday morning. The snow intensity will lighten up on Sunday afternoon. Beyond that, I do want to take a look down the road because beyond that, there's something else we got to pay attention to farther out there. And let me go back to the graphics and show you what it is we're talking about here. So here's what we're looking at. What I'm looking at here is what we call precipitable water. So this is California right here. This is the Pacific. The Aleutians are up here. Hawaii's down in here. So This is the amount of water in the atmosphere. And let me back this up. And what I want to bring your attention to is the models are all over the place on this. However, this is this morning's model. And what you'd be looking at here is next Thursday and Friday, that is an atmospheric river. So this is the possibility of an atmospheric river sort of event next week, Thursday and Friday. It would get warmer, it would get wetter, and I'm just going to toss this out there as a possibility for the end of next week. Like I said, the models are all over the place on this. Sometimes they're bringing the AR much farther south, and sometimes they're taking it off the coast. But this morning's run brings it straight into California, which would make for a significantly different sort of event. Like I said, this weekend, the rain is going to be on the light side. The snow will be pretty good in the Sierra, and it will cause some travel issues, but we'll have to keep our eye on next Thursday, Friday for the potential of a much wetter event and a much warmer event and the implications that that could have. So a lot to pay attention to here over the next week. In the meantime, today we've got a bright and sunny but cool day with the rain and snow coming for the weekend. I'll be on TV at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11, and there will be a Facebook live chat tonight at 8 o'clock. Make it a great day.